Hi viewers, this is Dr. Gunamani Jana and you are watching video with me on Matlab part 3. In this video, we will be covering how to load image and how to go for the image processing. For this what you need Matlab licensed version and some toolbox like image processing. So this is the minimum requirement. Actually I have some version of Matlab. But I am using online. For that online you can go for the trial version, and you can join there also, there is no problem, and you can join here. I am here, this is the my actual thing and I am going for this one, fine, right? Then we go for this one, right? Now you can clearly see here what I want to do. You should have some image. Whatever the image, you can download any image. So I have my own image. What is my image? drggener.tip. Where you have to keep that file? That file you put it in the current folder. Otherwise you have to put in another folder, maybe C drive, D drive or the desktop. That current path, the entire path you have to put it here. Is it clear? Then what I have done it here, I am using the imread function, read, okay, image read. So this is the function, using this you can read. What is the file name? drggener.tif. So that is my folder. In my folder already, it is the here. You can see I am already having drggener.tif file. Similarly POUT something like that TF file, JPG file is also there, but PNG file is also there. All the things are there. Okay. So now these two image files, drggener.tip and POUT.tip, I have already put it here. Fine. So now what I need to do, you go to this online version of this thing. After coming here, what you will see, I have put this file. What is the file name? drggener.tip and POUT.tip. So now I am mapping this, I am reading this file drggener.tip and putting to x, map. Okay, so this is an array, I put it there. Then in this figure, image show, what I have to show? X map. Whatever things I read it there and I put it here in x underscore x, map. So I want to imshow means show the image. So it will show the image number 1. Is it clear? So these files you can close it. There is nothing wrong. You can close it here. I will show you, don't worry. All these files I will run it and then I will show you. It is better because I already run it for you. So what I want to tell you here, now these are the various commands you should understand. Once you understand these commands, so it is easy for you to. So first one, what I have done, then I have gone to RGB to gray. Say suppose if it is color image, it is not in color image, but if it is color image, that you can convert to RB to that X, what you have taken it here, that what I stored it here, so that you convert it into RGB to gray, and that you store it in J. Okay, I will show you one other file. So in that file also I take a color picture and I will put it there. Right now it is saying figure imshow X. First original file it will show drggener.tip. Then if it is a color file, it will convert to gray value, that will show imshow J. Fine. Then I create another I2. I2 is another image, that is histogram equalization of J. So what is the J grade value I have put it there, that I put it at histogram equalization J. Right. Now figure and image, so imshow I2, that is histogram equalization. What is it will show in the I2. Right. Similarly I go for this image histogram. Got it now? That is the one is the histogram equalization, that is I2, and image that is of that I put it the J2. J2 is equal to histogram equalization J. Now figure imshow J2, that J2, what is J2? J2 the histogram equalizations. So this will show another figure, that is histogram equalization J2. Then figure imhist J2. So for this J2, it will show the image first, then it is going for this image histogram, right? Then again I am going for J3, that is the histogram equalization of this J2 and also again I can go for this image histogram. Okay, so these are the things. Now let me run this program. How do you run this program? Because it is online, it is running, so I go for this run. So run, what is the file name I saved it? I say the file name is hist.m. How do you do all the things, that also I am going to tell you, don't worry for these things. Now you run this program, run the histogram. So once I run this program, it is running, running. Yeah, it takes very less time, don't worry. So it is showing you all the figures. Okay, so what is my first figure? This was my first figure. You don't worry, this was the figure, this was my photo in 1980, I think 80 or 81 like that. It is the that I was continuing BSc, that's my photo. Then the second one, it is converted to grayscale, because it was already black and white, converted grayscale. Third one, it has converted to you can see RGB to gray, it has already converted. Then figure 4, see, it is going for this, all the things, histogram, equalization, everything it is showing it here. Okay, so now this is the thing you have done and I have shown you, right? Now what I want to do, now I take a color image and actually do all the things. Okay, so how we do all the things, that I will say you. For this means we take 1 minute break. So now let us take one more image. So I am taking this image as gunamani.tif. You can see it here, this is the image. So this image I drag and drop it here in this current folder. Why? Because if I put in other drive, then I have to provide the full path here. Then what it is trying to do it here, this file gunamani.tif, it is a color image, you can see it here. So this is the present image, you can see here. So first it is going ImRed and it is putting in X map. Okay, then the first is going for figure in show X map, that is the figure 1. It will show the same thing it has shown it here. It is the, because what is the gunamani.tif, that is shown as the ImShow of X comma map, right? Then it take it J, which is equal to RGB to gray. That means this, what is the color image, that is converted to gray. Which one? That X. What the image you put it in the X, same is converted to J. Now figure, that means figure 2 will be there, ImShow X and figure ImShow J. That means one more time it is showing image. It is not necessary directly we can go for these things. It is I don't think it is necessary. So you can directly go for this figure ImShow J, because ImShow X is already it was done there. Okay, right? Then what I am doing, then I am putting another one I2, that is histogram equalization. So you can do it here. Okay, this, for this also what I do, I clear all this image. Okay, I clear all this image, clear all this image. Yeah, I clear all this image, because again we'll run this program and I'll clear all this image. Yeah, so now if you want to expand these things, just to click it here, it will be expanded. Yeah, these things you can see. Now you are having all the things and it is everything, it is clear, and you don't have any image here. Now all the images we already cleared, right? Now now even if for this also we can write CLC, because clear the for the clear screen, CLC the clear screen, you clear it here. So it has cleared everything. And even if you want to clear also, so make it clear, CLEAR, clear also is there, because any variable will be there in the workspace also, it is also clear. You see a lot of things are in the workspace. Once I put this clear, so it will clear everything in the workspace also, everything clear. Now what I am doing, I am going for my program. What is my program here? Yeah, histogram. Yeah, so this was our file, this was our program. In this program what I have taken the gunamani.tif. You can see that already I have taken it here. So when I am trying to run this program, how do you run this program? So first of all you save it. Once you save it, so then automatically it will come here and you go for the running of this program. So once you run, you can see a number of figures are already drawn here, right? So for this what you need to do, just come on here. Yeah, what is the figure number 1? Figure number 1 is the original figure, whatever I have given to. Figure number 2, it is converted to gray value. That same figure it is converted to gray value. Then figure number 3, I am going to histogram equalization of that one. So once you are converting to the histogram equalizations, it is coming like this. You got it now. So I2 is the histogram equalizations. Then IMSO I2. Then I am going to image histogram. The image histogram, you go to the number 4. So this is the image histogram, whatever we are showing, and figure show the image histogram J. Okay, J, what is the J? For the grayscale, what is the histogram also, that I want to show it, that will be coming under this, the next one. So it is like this. Okay, so that figure also, it is histogram equalization it has done. So similarly, like that you can go for the 6 also. That will be the again histogram equalization subject. So now whatever things you have done, yeah, can you see? Okay, so everything we can do it here, and we have seen here clearly all the things, right? So these are the minimum techniques how we can take it. Now let us take instead of this one, let us take one more thing, pout. Okay, so I take it another image, that is pout, P-O-U-T, right? So pout.tip, right? So now the same image I will take it and try to do here. Okay, so now for that what I need to do, here go for this CLC, clear the screen, and I go for clear, CLEAR. Anyway, that is those things you can write it every time on the top also, so this problem will not be there. Okay, enter in the workspace also, everything it is clear. Okay, now these diagrams whatever we are having, let us close all this diagram. So I am closing all this diagram. Okay, then I close this diagram. Similarly, I close this diagram, close this figure, close this figure. So close this figure and close this figure, right? Now it is clear. Now what I have to do, now I am going to run this program. Okay, make it clear screen, CLC, enter. So now I am going to run this program. So first of all, save this program. So save it. So once you saved it here, then I am going to run this program, run the histogram. Okay, while you are running this histogram, you can clearly see. Okay, so all these figures it will come down, nothing to worry about all the things. Now let us see what are things it has come. First you come to the figure number 1. Can you see the figure number 1? What you see, it is very blurred, it is not clearly visible. Then while I am going for the 2, so it is something dark it is coming. Then while you are coming to the figure number 3, while I am going for histogram equalizations, you can see it is clearly coming like this. Then I am going for, again I am working on that one, and again I am going for this histogram equalizations, all the things I am, because in the equalizations means I am spreading that one. Okay, and finally I am going for this figure 7 and figure 8. Okay, so this you can see the original figure what it was there, because original figure, if you understand the concept of this histogram, then I think it will be very much clear, because this was the original figure. Now we are here, you can see with clarity, we can see all things, right? So this was about the about the different images we can take it here, and how we can read these images, how we can load these images, and how we can convert to grayscale, and how we can go for the histogram equalization, how we can go for this image histogram. So all the things we have clearly explained in this video. So I hope if you like this video, please do share with your friends also, and don't forget to subscribe this also. Thank you. So in your next video we'll be coming with so many other things. Till then, goodbye, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you.